Hey, check out this thing at Unique Specialty and Classics. Sorry, pun intended. It's a 1979 Volkswagen Thing Type 181. Restoration work on this performed 2021 to 2022. Let's start with underneath the hood. Air-cooled 1.6 liter flat 4 that was overhauled in 2022. Electronic ignition, Bosch ignition coil, electric fuel pump, CB Performance serpentine belt system, and we're going to check that out here in a little bit after we start it up, let you hear it run. That's paired up with a rebuilt 4-speed manual transmission. Clutch has been replaced in 2022, as well as dual exit exhaust. FYI, this vehicle does not have heat exchangers. All right, still pictures. You're going to be able to check out the underside, the interior, the engine bay, the cargo compartment, top up, top down. You'll also see the side curtains or side windows installed, all in the still pictures, and those are at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. All right, 14-inch steel wheels with the VW stamped wheel covers, radial tires, and those are dated 2021. It has had a front disc conversion done in 2022. Master cylinder, brake hoses, rear brake shoes, front and rear torsion bars, tie rod ends, shocks and shock mounts, wheel bearings, also done at that time. This car was actually stripped down to bare metal. It's an original Mexico vehicle, so very solid, and then was repainted. Interior seats were reupholstered in black vinyl. It does have the removable doors. Of course, I mentioned the side curtains, and you're going to see those in the still pictures. You can also see the rubber floor mats. Fender mounted turn signals and a fold down front windshield. What a fun summer vehicle. If you're up here in the Midwest, if you are in a climate where you can drive these year round, better yet. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So black vinyl manual foldable top, and we will show you that up. I have the side curtains over here, also the side curtain bag, storage bag for them. We're going to put those on, put that top up. I'll do a quick video, and you can also see that in the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you've watched our videos previously, you know I always tell you, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because you never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Here's a prime example. We don't see a lot of these, and this has to be one of the nicer ones around. There's no doubt about that. This is restored quite nicely. And as you can see, that paint shows well. It's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. It's not full of corrosion, rust bubbling, anything like that. As far as the interior, it does have the front bucket seats, rear folding seats, and there's also aftermarket speakers that are installed behind the seat. There is a pile head unit in the glove box that has not been installed, just so you know. So that would need to be finished as far as the stereo goes. It is a locking glove box, which is nice on this one. Trim and door panels, also restored during the restoration. And just an FYI, the heater was not completed. There is what appears to be an electric heater underneath the dash. It's the type of thing you're probably not really going to need on this vehicle. It's not going to be driven in a climate where you're going to need much of a heater. All right, I think we should fire this up. We'll check out that engine bay. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, and we will also, like I said, put the convertible top up, show you the condition of that. But first, let's get this thing started. Take a VDO gauge. There we go. Of course, that is that air-cooled 1.6 liter flat 4. That very notable Volkswagen sound. Again, 4-speed manual transmission. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. And again, it was restored in 2022. Had the overhaul done, electronic ignition, Bosch ignition coil, electric fuel pump, and the CB Performance serpentine belt system. Let's take a look at it. I'm just going to hold the camera here so you can see it without putting up the prop rod. Nicely done. Nice clean engine bay. Nice and tidy. All right, let's go ahead and I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this top folded out. Let's check out the condition of that, see how it looks with the side curtains in it. And then once again, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. All right, let's check out this thing all buttoned up with the top up. Doors obviously in, side curtains installed. It's a black vinyl, as you can see. Of course, the side curtains just set in each of the doors, 2 pegs on each. Plastic side windows, but they're nice and clear and tight, as is the rest of the top. Not notice any major rips, tears, or holes. There's one little spot over here on the passenger side where this looks like it needs to be re-sewn. Just the fitting that kind of goes on the brace for that top. But overall, if you need it to keep you out of a shower or maybe the sun, it's going to work just fine. And I have a feeling, how many times is this thing, no pun intended on that one, going to be driven with the side curtains in or the top up? It's going to be enjoyed with the top down, side curtains out, maybe doors off. Pretty cool. It'd be a fun summer vehicle, no doubt about that. 1979, nicely restored Volkswagen thing, type 181. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Volkswagen thing. Another vehicle that you don't see very many of. This is a 4-speed manual right here on the floor. That has that pattern that's a little bit diagonal, which is right here on the dash. You can see it's not that bad. It's easy to off-road. Kind of like a Jeep by Volkswagen. That's how I describe it. Easy to steer, this lightweight vehicle. It doesn't need much power to propel itself along. This does have a soft top up today, as it is a convertible. Now there's no door glass. So it's an open, also kind of like a Jeep. fun to drive. A little over half a tank on the fuel gauge. My speedometer is working. And it's showing me about 30 miles per hour, which feels to be maybe accurate. Comfortable, but it seats in the front, tilted back, at a good position. Storage in the back, and room for some passengers. When's the last time you saw a Volkswagen thing? And was it orange? This is the first blue one that I've ever seen, and it looks a lot better, in my opinion. Good color. We'll get her up to speed a little bit. Pardon any wind noise you might hear. Brakes feel good. Miles an hour. It may be reading a little fast. The steering wheel is tilted slightly to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Very cool 1979 Volkswagen Thing. You won't see very many more of these. Take a look at all the pictures of it.